Mitsushi cordless screwdriver at the price tag of 199 pesos during the Lazada flash sale. It was pretty cheap. So let's unbox this and let's check it out. So right out of the box, we have the charger. Here's the wire for the unit. Instruction manual. Seems nothing else. The manual seems to be in English. Here's the view for your convenience. And this is our charging cable, standard USB at the other end to connect on the charging brick. And here is our unit. Oh, it has 2 bits included. Both are Phillips. But on a different size. One is 1P and the other one is 2P, which is the same, but just a bit bigger. And here is our unit. It's pretty light. It has a strap included. Here is the charging port. And some light indicators. Oh, so this is a switch for the light. And by pressing this switch, it shows the level of the battery charge. And the trigger seems to have 2 switches. One for clockwise and one for counterclockwise, to loosen and to tighten. Pretty sleek Mitsushi. So its hex head holder is magnetic. So here's the light, switch on. It was quite lightweight. Has a strap included. Pretty nice Mitsushi. Let's test the charger. So let's simply plug the cable, the power brick, and the power brick to the wall outlet. So there's a red light on the wall brick, and the red light also turns on from the unit. So everything seems working. And let's test the motor. Doesn't have a torque indicator though. Let's try to the frozen screws. And this is the cordless screwdriver by Mitsushi. Things to note though, it doesn't have any torque function whatsoever, and its motor can only handle low torques. So it seems to be perfect for your simple DIYs and home furniture. Again, $499 is definitely a bang for the buck. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.